Good morning, friends. In the last video of mine under the time series using Python, I started off with the videos on data processing and visualizations. Now, in the last video of mine, I have showcased to you as to how to deal with the how to identify the missing values and check it out whether we can go ahead and clean them or not. Now, again, I would like to use the same code which is present to find out the number of missing values in each column and whether after cleaning it what had happened to them. So I'll be copying paste the same code which was there. In the sense, it's easier for me. I don't have to key the entire code once again, and that is simple: df.isna.sum. That means check it out whether there are any no numbers over there or not, and show it to me row wise, so column wise. Now here, once you do it, you will be checking it out that yes, it has showcased to me. Earlier one showed to you that yes, there are 114 and now you can see that for each date, time and each column there are 0. So here we can know through this that yes, I have gone ahead and taken care of the null values present in my I should say the data set out here. So let me go ahead and come back with one more code for the data cleaning of my data set. Till then, thanks and take care. Bye.